You're listening to the Experiencing God Day by Day podcast, brought to you by Blackaby Ministries International.
February 28th, Restoration from the Shepherd, Psalm 23, verse 3. He renews my life. He leads me along the right paths for his name's sake. Your shepherd knows your every need. He knows you will grow weary in your pilgrimage with him. He knows there are times when you need rest. Your shepherd knows just what you need to be refreshed. At times you need to lie in lush meadows or beside quiet streams. Sometimes you need to be held by your shepherd. At other times you need to enjoy the pleasures the shepherd provides. The shepherd will not always replenish you in the same way. His response to you will always perfectly correspond to your present need. As you follow your shepherd, there will be times when your soul becomes exhausted, perhaps because of trials you are experiencing or temptations you are resisting. The persecution you face or the burdens you are carrying for others may be wearing you down. You may be weary from the discipline the shepherd has brought upon you. There will be times when you feel you can go no further in your Christian pilgrimage. Your shepherd knows when you have reached this point, and he always has a remedy. There are many ways he can strengthen you, through his word, through others, or through your circumstances. He knows what you need even better than you do. Have you grown weary? Does your soul need to be refreshed? Don't attempt to recover on your own. Only God knows how to heal and rejuvenate a soul. Isaiah 40, verses 28 to 31. Matthew 11, verses 28 to 30. He will do it perfectly, sometimes in surprising ways. Ask him to restore you, and then be prepared to respond to what he does next.
This podcast is based on the book Experiencing God Day by Day by Henry and Richard Blackaby, published by B&H Publishing Group, music by Mark Brown.